Hi everyone. So I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas today. We're just going to do a simple flip cup with some leftover paints. I have just enough white in there. And we're going to follow that with some steel blue. I did add, I think 1 or 2 drops of silicone to these colors. We'll go with the gold bronze from Lucas and use all that up there. And then we'll do some Moody Blue. This is Parage Posse Moody Blue. I'm letting these colors sink into each other. And this is Deco Art Sterling Silver. Probably will take over. I'll put a little more steel blue in here. And that should be plenty of paint. This is probably a 10-ounce cup. 10 or 12. It's not full. We should be fine. These paints do have bubbles in them because they were fresh mixed for a previous video. I did not spray that cup. The white does not have silicone, but the colors do. The silver bronze I put 1 drop, and the sterling silver I put 1 drop. And then in the Moody Blue I put 2, and in the steel blue I put 2. So let's see what we get. I'm going to pull a little Karen from Waterfall Acrylics there. Karen's a wonderful artist, very talented. Do a little flip lip. Cup's pretty. Alright, I'm not going to torch first because I already have some cells up. And that way we can torch where we want to. So, let's get tilting. I hope everybody's having a good week so far. I've been busy between painting the house and filling orders for paint orders, and I'm a little bit ahead on paint orders, so if you guys want to order paints, I already have some mixed, so they're ready to go. Etsy shop has coasters in there now, and all the paints have been restocked. So if you're looking to get the jars, it's all in the Etsy shop. The coasters are absolutely beautiful. I've sold a few sets, so if you've been looking at a certain set, you better go get it. It's going to be gone. Alright, let's leave that there. I have to torch the bubbles out, so that means we'll probably get more cells. I love the way that that silver is sitting on top. I hope it doesn't sink too much, because that'll give us a beautiful sheen to it. Okay, let's see what happens. So we got lots of cells coming up. Let's let it set 10 minutes and see what it looks like. Okay, I'm back. Oh boy, did we get lots of cells. I really think that that silver allowed that silicone to come up, because Deco Art is not a heavy acrylic. So even when you mix it, it mixes up kind of thin. But it's pretty cool. It'll probably change some more as it dries. It'll get darker. I hope the Moody Blue stays dark. That silver bronze is absolutely gorgeous in there. It makes it look very earthy because it looks gold. It's weird because it's silver bronze. But I love it. So there's another one for my living room. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Check out all the links below. Join us Monday night. Shop with me on Amazon and on Etsy. There's tons of links below. I will be resining all these with Stone Coat Art Coat. And also I have that link below if you want to check out Mike's website. Get yourself some art coat. I also have it in my Amazon shop if you're looking to get some resin. It's UV inhibited, so your resin won't yellow over time. And it also is heat resistant, so if you're using it on coasters, it's amazing. My cups never stick. My hot cups. So check out all those links, and we will see you all on the next one. Love y'all. Bye now.